I just wanted to show you our products. So we have what we call the 6 core. The 6 core products are from the Haitian épices, the traditional épices that you guys probably are familiar with would be the paste, which is a mixture of herbs, different herbs, vegetables, that is brought into a paste that you can use and reuse for all your dishes. And different families may add certain ingredients based on their preferences. Um, Ours is a product that is commercialized, meaning we make it with the intention of selling it to the mass market. Therefore, we put care to make it so that it could be shelf stable. By shelf stable, I mean you are able to keep this out of the fridge. If it's not open, you can keep it on the shelf and it's able to stay there safely for you to use for 2 years. So, as a self stable acidified product, um, it's regulated by the FDA. So, with this product, we have three different flavors of it. So, we have the mild one, which is this green color here. We have the medium spice. The medium spice is considered to be our standard one. You have some level of spice that is balanced, and everyone can enjoy that. The medium one give you all the rich flavor without the heavy spiciness. For those of us that really enjoy like over the top burning your mouth spice, the red cover one, like this one, orange and red color, would be the one to order. So this is the spicier version. This is the balance heat, which is the medium, and this is the mild. So for family with children, you can still enjoy our épices because it was made with family in mind. Um, the mild one would be what I recommend. Okay, if you don't like spice, the mild one would be the one to get. The medium is for everybody who wants to have flavor kick but able to still enjoy it. And then the over the top one is for those of us that just love spice and we would just go to the max. Go with the spicy one. Okay, so these are the three flavors. As I mentioned, we have what we call a 6 core. We do have three other products that are of our dry blend collection, and those are not the paste, and we are introducing those right now. So we have our Zepis Timalis. So for those of you who are familiar with Haitian folklore, you know the story with Buki and Timalis. So the inspiration for the name comes from there. Zepis Timalis. So this one is a balanced heat type of seasoning. This is definitely all purpose. You will notice that it has the blue color on the label. Zepis Timalis, that's our dry blend. We have another one called the Herb Fusion. This one is the green one, the Herb Fusion. This one has more parsley, cilantro, which these are all purpose seasoning. So it's depend on the mood you are in, what you're cooking, and you can pick your best option. And then this is one of my favorite one. This is flamboyant. Flamboyant is, as you can see, it has the word flavor in there. This one is rich and all its boldness. Okay, so you have spice, you have herbs, you have vegetables, all into this one little jar, and I'm telling you, this is good. So you have options, you have options, my people, you have options. So make sure you try our seasoning. Okay, try the 6 core. um the 6 core has the 3 dry blends, okay, and it has the 3 paste based on your spice level and also the mood you are in and what you are cooking. Okay, so give it a try.